Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 11 slow internet problems in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your Windows Update, go to your advanced options, click on delivery optimization, turn off allow download from other PCs, click on advanced options. After doing this stat, select a percentage of Meyer bandwidth, click on it, set a minimum, set a 90% to minimum, and upload setting is select a 50% to minimum, and monthly download limit is set a minimum. After doing this stat, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a ncpa.cpl, open it, select the internet adapter which you use to connect your internet, right click, go to your properties, select the internet protocol version 4 and click on properties, and make sure that you can use this DNS server is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK button and close it. I have already used it. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, go to your internet adapter and update your drivers, search automatically from drivers, click on search updated driver on Windows Update, click on check for updates. If any downloading or updates available, then you can download and install in your PC. Select the first is go to your properties. Sorry, right click on update driver. You can browse my computer from drivers. Select it. Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select it. Click on next button. Click on close button. If your another internet adapter is available, then you can update driver, search from automatically, search from upload driver from Windows Update, and check your updates is any update available, then install in your PC. And once again go to your right click on update driver, click on browse from a computer, select let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, click on next button and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space int space tcp space set space global global space auto tuning level dash disable. and press enter. After doing this, type exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.